Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony INZONE H5 wireless headphones. This is a WH-G500 headphone from Sony, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, not responding, any kind of issues like this where they're not working properly can often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set them up again because everything will be wiped off of them, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you're pairing them with a new device or something and you just want to get a fresh start and delete the pairing history and get them reinitialized to how they came out of the box, we can do that really easily. All we need to do is, before we start this process, these headphones need to be turned off, so the light should not be on. They need to be turned off and not plugged in. Turned off and not plugged in. And then once they're turned off and not plugged in, we're just going to very simply come and press and hold simultaneously the power button and the chat button. We're going to press and hold the power button and the chat button for about 10 seconds until they reinitialize and reset. And we'll know they have reinitialized and reset because this indicator light next to the power button will flash 4 times, indicating the reset is complete. We can go ahead and then turn them on and set them up like a new set of earphones.